listen, I'm telling you, you got to have one of these. I mean, it's an affordable out that can fix problems that can be detrimental to your racing career. And, I mean, I could have used one last year myself.
Preparing the Krabby Patty.
Benefits of having a ARC spacer kit in your trailer would be if your air pump, vacuum pump breaks, you have to switch to a different brand, which Brittany would know about, and fuel pumps, or even if you're driving down the road on your way home and something in your truck breaks, you got to modify something.
Long story short, we get to the racetrack, we lose a vacuum pump, and we go to change it, and we're stacking up washers, nuts, bolts, zip ties, anything we could get to make this work. And that's when I finally realized he actually knew what he was talking about. So make a spacer kit. So long story short, Britt and I came up with this deal. What we did was package every kind of spacer that we could think of that you would possibly ever need, from carb linkage to trans linkage to shifter linkage to bolting a vacuum pump and alternator on. Basically any kind of spacer you would need. We put it together as a small kit.
You have an emergency, you can just grab your spacer kit.